What is up, you guys? It's Nightmare Con here. I'm back with another food review, and today I'm at McDonald's. Today I'm reviewing their new peanut butter crunch McFlurry. Now it came to the McFlurry itself came to $4.19 plus tax, which is an additional 36 cents. So it came to $4.55 after tax. Here in my location, in your location it will be different. So here is the peanut butter crunch McFlurry. See all those peanut butter bits? So I'm trying to get my phone to focus at it. Come on, focus. Definitely a good sharpness of peanut butter. Really good. And some crunchiness as well. Keep in mind, you guys, it is kind of windy, so hang on. Sorry, I'm trying not to let my receipt get away. So definitely a taste of a good peanut butter taste to it, with the crunchiness. And it looks like it also got some. Now I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like chocolate in there, the darker bits, or if it's. Now I'm not sure it's supposed to have chocolate in there because it is peanut butter crunch. And I think that I know it's a cereal from Captain Crunch, so I think it is also supposed to have chocolate. I can't really tell, but there's definitely a taste of peanut butter in this. Trust me, you guys. With the vanilla soft serve, which doesn't give it that vanilla taste at all. With those bits mixed into it. It's not like a straight up peanut butter taste. Like a peanut butter ice cream taste to it at all, no, but it's not super strong, but you can definitely taste it. It's definitely nice and tasty with those bits in there. Really good, you guys. I definitely give this a go. Now I know there's people out there that are allergic to peanut butter, and if you're allergic to it, definitely don't try this. But if you want, like, say, if you're kind of like a peanut kind of guy person, and if you like ice cream and peanut butter mixed together, this one's actually not bad. It's actually really good. And nice and crunchy as well, since it is from that Captain Crunch cereal. Really good. Really good, you guys, and crunchy. Look at it. Looks like it did, of course, sog up. But there's definitely a good peanut butter dessert here. Really good, you guys. I haven't had this in a while, you guys. I haven't had anything with peanut butter in a while. So it's definitely really good. So definitely, like I said, a hint of the peanut butter makes it really good. Nice cold dessert. And because this is soft serve, it will obviously melt. Kind of creating it into like a milkshake, kind of. Since McDonald's obviously serves soft serve, still pretty good nonetheless. Well, guys, that was my review on the McDonald's peanut butter crunch McFlurry. I would definitely give this a go as soon as you can, because it is, of course, a limited time, you guys. So be quick. If you're a fan of peanut butter, you will not be disappointed. It's really good, you guys. So I'll be back for another review as soon as I can. But for now, this is Nightmare Con rolling out. Take care, you guys. Till all are one.